Well, young learners, today we are there with the lesson 4, The Rat Trap by Selma Lagerlof. As we move on, we would see about the author, the universal theme that runs through all her stories, a belief that essential goodness in a human being can be awakened through understanding and love. Next is about the story. Here's the title, very well clearly mentioned. Then we have the theme of the story. Here the author targets the materialistic approach of the people, the worldly riches have disillusioned them and they are running after the things which are temporary. Here, as you can see, it's a caricature of a rat trap seller. Here again we have the main character is the rat trap seller, and we can very well see that he is an unnamed man. He is known as tramp, vagabond, stranger, peddler, etc. He is the central character of the story. As he does not make enough money to survive, he is indulged in thievery and begging also. So we have the other characters, and the other characters are Adla Wilmanson, daughter of the Iron Master. She is the most positive figure in the story. It is her compassion and generosity which brings a transformation in Peddler. Moving next, we have the Iron Master. He is Adla's father, owner of Ramsdor's Iron Works. He is much concerned about his quality of products, hence inspects his iron mill every day and night. In younger days, he was in military, so he mistakes the peddler to be his old regimental comrade. Next we have the crofter, who is an old man. He lets the peddler spend the night at his cottage. He is so lonely that he is overjoyed to receive the peddler. He not only provides him shelter, food, but even plays the games of cards with him. However, the peddler repays his generosity by stealing 30 kroners from him. The story begins with this poor unnamed man selling rat traps to earn his livelihood. And as you see, his sunken cheeks, clothes rags, hunger gleamed in his eyes. These are all the physical description about this man, that he was living in an impoverished condition. And one day, he falls on a line of thought. The whole world is a rat trap, and all comfort and joys are baits to trap a mankind. And as we move on to the next PPT. It shows that as it was the late evening, he took shelter in Crofter's cottage. The Crofter, as described, was a lonely man, no wife, no children. So he was very talkative. He treats him kindly. He even shows him 30 kroner notes which he had hung near the window pane. As we move on, we see the next PPT. We come to know that the vagabond repays the crofter's generosity by stealing 30 kroner notes from him. He is very pleased at his smartness. He avoids public highway, moves into woods. He is dead tired, hungry, and feels that he has been trapped in the forest. As you see, he was lost in the forest. He could not find any way. He felt that his end has come. And then he heard regular thumping of hammer and realized that he was somewhere near some iron mill. Now here are the questions you can see. Think as you read. From where did peddler get the idea of the world being a rat trap? Then second question, third, fourth and fifth. These are based on the comprehension text. If you want to check yourself, you must practice by solving them. Moving next, we move further to the next slide. That was, as this vagabond was sad and dejected, he moved following the sound from where it was coming from. It was certainly coming from the iron mill, and when he reached the iron mill, he sneaked inside, took permission from the master blacksmith to stay near the forge overnight. The master blacksmith was working near the furnace, so he did not need any woolen clothes, because as the furnace was there, he was working with it, he was helping it out, working with hammer and all to have the uh, melted form of the iron. Suddenly, the owner of Ramsau Iron Mill comes on night visit. He mistook this vagabond, the rat trap peddler, as his old comrade and invites him to his house. The tramp declines Ironmaster's invitation. So, Ironmaster sends his daughter to persuade the guest. Edla found him alarmed and frightened. She somehow sensed that he was either a thief or an escaped prisoner. Still, she was very friendly and kind to the peddler. Now again few questions for you to check as comprehension exercise. Let's move to next PPT. Here, Edla comes in a carriage to bring the peddler home. He is shocked to see her, but peddler felt confidence in her and accepted the invitation. The next day was Christmas Eve. The Ironmaster was happy that he would be spending time with his old friend. But Edla expresses her doubt about the peddler. The moment the guest or the peddler entered, the Ironmaster was shocked because the stranger was no friend of his. He was angry. He wanted to take this vagabond to sheriff. But the tramp gave his peace of mind. He got flared up and he said, "The whole world is a rat trap. All offers and all the joys and riches are baits which are used to trap a common man." He did not fear of being locked by the sheriff, but he insisted and warned him that one day even Ironmaster would be allured and trapped. The Ironmaster was convinced by the argument, but he asked him to leave. But Edla argues on behalf of the peddler. She said that as they had promised the peddler Christmas cheer, and it would be wrong on their part to send him now. Ironmaster could not say anything, so he just simply spoke, "You preach worse than a parson," and gave in. The Christmas celebrations, you can see, the festivity was on, everyone was happy and joyous. But the tramp, who was allowed to stay there for the Christmas cheer, slept soundly like a log between the festivities. He was woken up to have food. Edla gifted him the suit he was wearing as a Christmas present. Next morning, the father and daughter went to the church for Christmas service, leaving peddler at home. At church, they learned that a rat trap peddler had robbed their old worker, who was earlier working in Ramsau Iron Works. Edla felt dejected. The father was infuriated. When they reached home, the father asked the servants if peddler was there. But the servant informs that he has left, but has taken nothing. Rather, he has left a Christmas present for Edla. The packet was ill capped, and when she opened the packet, she was shocked. It was a rat trap with three 10-kroner notes. The human treatment done to the peddler brought a change in his life. Her compassion touched him deeply and revived his inner conscience. He finally changed his ways by leaving behind the stolen money with a note requesting it to be delivered to the crofter. So, this message concludes that every human being has a spark of goodness in him. But most of the human beings fall into the trap of material benefits. But certainly, through love, compassion, and understanding, we are able to redeem ourselves from our dishonest ways. Moving next, we have the practice questions. These questions are based on CBSE board question papers. Please keep practicing solving them in your worksheets to score better. Be safe, keep learning. Thank you, dears.